Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing the P0043 error code and running rough? This issue can lead to poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and even a failed emissions test. In this video, we'll cover what P0043 means, the exact sensor location, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because ignoring this issue could lead to more serious engine problems. What does P0043 mean? The P0043 code stands for HO2S, Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1 Sensor 3. This means the oxygen sensor's heater circuit in Bank 1, Sensor 3 has a low voltage or resistance issue. The heater inside the sensor is responsible for warming it up quickly for accurate air-fuel ratio readings. If it fails, your ECU may struggle to adjust the fuel mixture properly, affecting performance. Symptoms of P0043 include check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, rough idling or hesitation, increased emissions, and a failed emissions test. Common causes of P0043 include a faulty oxygen sensor heater, where the heating element inside the sensor may be burned out, a blown fuse or relay, which could prevent power from reaching the heater circuit, broken or corroded wiring, causing a voltage drop in the heater circuit, an ECU malfunction which is rare but possible, and loose or bad sensor connections, where corroded or improperly connected terminals can trigger the code. Where is the O2 sensor located for P0043? Bank 1 Sensor 3, also known as B1S3, is found after the second catalytic converter on Bank 1. In 4-cylinder engines, Bank 1 is usually on the same side as cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 1 is typically on the passenger side. Oxygen sensor heater circuit fuse and relay location. The heater circuit is powered through a fuse and relay, which are usually located in the underhood fuse box. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse and relay location. Wiring harness connection. The O2 sensor wiring runs along the exhaust system and connects near the transmission or under the vehicle body. Look for burnt, frayed, or disconnected wires. Tip: always use a repair manual or wiring diagram to locate the exact components in your specific vehicle. Check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater circuit terminals. If the resistance is too high or infinite, replace the sensor. Inspect the fuse and relay. Check the underhood fuse box for a blown fuse or a faulty relay. Examine the wiring harness. Look for burnt, broken, or corroded wires leading to the O2 sensor. Test the voltage supply. Use a multimeter to check if 12 volts is reaching the heater circuit. If there's no power, trace the issue back to the fuse, relay, or ECU. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, use an obd2 scanner to reset the P0043 code and take your car for a drive to confirm the fix. So that's everything you need to know about P0043 HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If you're facing this issue, start by checking your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and relays. For more essential car fixes, check out these videos next. P0120 Throttle Position Sensor Circuit Malfunction, and P0075 Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Malfunction. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.